Time for fun with our Sprunky friends. Pick your group.
Ew.
Is it chilly in here, or is it just aqua? Wow, a purple-colored microwave? It's Lily! Okay, let's speed things up. We've got Ratty, Pinky, and Simon. And last but not least, we've got Durple. Heads up! Things are about to get spooky! Ooh, it's raining slime! And there's more where that came from. Blocks? Guess we can always make some new friends. Let's throw in Mr. Sun while we're at it. And look, he even doubles as a Ferris wheel.
Huh?
Our new friend can't wait to meet you. Just look. He brought you a gift. Hope you like dinosaurs. For these guys, a makeover is long overdue. Seriously, they haven't changed their looks since the Jurassic era. Besides, it's always great to bring everyone together. Remember, there's no such thing as spare parts. But I wouldn't say no to a few add-ons, like brand new teeth. The scales had their day, but let's smooth things over. Now for some paint. Green is traditional. Still, did you ever see a dino in person? Who says they couldn't have a piano theme? Besides, it goes great with his scales. Now add some eyes. And some nice rosy cheeks. Ooh, it looks like someone likes orange. Now let's get stomping. Kangaroo versus Transformer. Wow, you knocked his block off. Careful, Roo's got friends in some high and low places. Of course, it's anyone's fight in the end. Don't forget, Hippo plays the winner. Looks like we'll need new parts and a whole new zoo. Of course, the aquarium can be fun too. These pinchers could use some extensions. Grab some broken toys for a few spare parts. Now things are about to get really wired. You can never have too many pinchers. He's ready to rumble, or hit the disco, whatever comes first. Now it's your turn. Think of it like one big puzzle. Well, that's one way to build somebody up. Wow, look at the muzzle on this guy. But a croc doesn't have to be too scary. In fact, why don't we add all sorts of colors? Yeah, go from crab to mantis shrimp, just like that. Now this brings new meaning to Four Eyes. Grab some wires for a brand new exoskeleton. Cover with foil and add a matching tail. Now let's just add a few final touches. And you know who could use some arms. Much better. The red's nice, but a croc needs some scales. Fill up every nook and cranny, even around the arms. Besides, we'll still have plenty of red, just in your mouth. Plus some white teeth and blue lipstick. Wow, guess this guy really is blue. Dabba dee, dabba die. Still, we could always use a splash of green, too. Don't like the color? Well then, just paint over it. You're almost done. Just add a few more pieces. Of course, slow and steady sometimes wins the race. Yeah, you really want to get the drool just right. And those boils looking their bloodiest. So, are you guys ready for a rematch? Careful, I'd avoid those teeth. Didn't I tell you? Well, your Transformers all in pieces. Next time, a little hot glue might help. Everyone wants a piece of Labubu. And I do mean everyone. Quick, get water. Uh-oh, what's going on with this one? Time for Labubu to come out of her shell. And give us a great big smile. Now show us some teeth. Time for some brain worms. Maggots gotta eat too. It's what's inside that matters, so show off your big brain. An egg? Well, let's get cracking. And you can afford to lose one ear. You've got two of them. Same goes for your eyes. You know, I was in the mood for ribs. She could use a nice splash of purple. It gives off such a nice, rotting vibe. We've got our own Labubu zombie. So all you robots better beware. Looks like we're going for a ride. And we didn't even have to wait in line. But I guess all fun things must come to an end.
Ouch! Yay!
Still want to go fast? Well, we've got just the thing. But first, we need to make a few adjustments.
Whoa!
Okay, those chainsaws send a message. But we want to show everyone that we mean business. Yeah, that blade ain't for slicing pizza.
Now!
Now it's your turn. Guess there's some assembly required. Cardboard is a crafter's best friend. Just hook it up with some hot glue. These blocks really help to build things up. Wow, cardboard sure comes in handy when you need a cover. But our new tires need some texture. It's already got a need for speed, but now it's your turn. Guess a new cover is just a tennis ball away. But next up, we're about to go geometric. Start out round, but we need some spikes. We're whipping up an 8-wheeler. Ooh, can you spare a straw? Add to the sides. These will really help hook us up. This car's ready to slice and dice. You can't spell cardboard without car. But we really need to rev up these engines. And with tails, the better, the bigger. Of course, every car needs a nice paint job. But I wouldn't complain if a new look just slides right on. And I think we can use a few finishing touches. I bet this thing doubles as a radio antenna. Always helps to have a rocket in your pocket. Studs protect from skids and add color. Still, who needs color when everything goes with black? Ooh, we can't forget our logo. Guess it pays to be a transformer. Let's heat things up. Yeah, we earned a little lunch break. By the rocket's red glare, we're about to blast off. Let's warm up with a quick race. That's enough. Let's get ready to rumble. They'll go at it until one car's left standing. Though, by the looks of it, we might be here a while.